Positive.
Hi friend, coming from my kitchen. Here's my daughter Cassidy.
Hi everybody.
And today we're going to make
lava.
What are we going to use?
We are going to use baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring, which I have right here on the side.
Let's show them how to do it. You can use small cups, a large tray, or a bigger container to put the cup into, and some small containers. Let's get our baking soda. Will you take a scoop of baking soda, please?
Yes, ma'am. Which cup? That's a little bit too much.
Just take a scoop. All right, Cassidy decided she would like to use some food coloring, so it's not white lava. She's going to make yellow lava, so let's open up the food coloring. Open up the food coloring.
I can't open it. Okay, open it.
Put in 2 drops of food coloring.
It's time to come out.
Okay, now mix up the food coloring into the baking soda, so it will be what color?
Yellow.
While she's mixing, in my other cup, I'm going to fill it halfway up with vinegar.
Yeah. And you've got to do it over the table because it will explode. You don't want it to explode on the floor or on your tablecloth. It won't come out.
That's right.
On your tablecloth. It will come out on your clothes. It will come off of your clothes. It won't come off of a stuffed animal either.
It may not because of the food coloring. Are you done mixing?
I'm done mixing.
All right, put the cup in the middle of the tray. All right, now let's see what happens when Cassidy pours the vinegar into her cup. What is happening?
It is fizzing.
It is fizzing and it exploded out of the cup. This is one of Cassidy's favorite activities. She calls it her lava.
Because lava does explode.
Lava does explode.
But it goes like...
We hope you enjoyed our science experiment for today and had fun with us. Look forward to seeing you again. Bye.
We'll make one another day.
We'll make one another day. Bye.